Hi, boys and girls. It's Shane. Can you say harassment? Lately, I feel like the City of Fort Smith's building department has been harassing me, and it's because of my TikTok, of all things. Somebody has reported my video of me changing a ceiling fan without a permit on my rental last week, and also me changing the faucet connector or the washing machine connector video that I did last week and saying I need to have a permit and I need to have an electrician, I need to have a plumber out in order to take care of those things. And they've literally issued a stop work order. It was on my door today on this house that I was working on. So I just thought I'd call some of the other cities in our area and then maybe one of the big West Coast cities and just see what other cities think about when it comes to doing this kind of work for a landlord.
Building department.
Hey, this is Shane. I just talked to somebody a minute ago about a building permit. Sorry, I wanted to go ahead and just get this, just to be absolutely clear. So I'm a landlord. I own a property. I need to change a ceiling fan.
First, yes, if you're just changing a ceiling fan, but being a landlord and owning the property doesn't give you the right to do anything other than just
Right. But as far as
something like that.
As far as changing the ceiling fan, I can do that without a permit. You guys aren't going to have an issue with that, right?
Right.
Okay, and then also the spigot, if it's not a sweated on, if it's just a threaded on spigot where my washing machine connects, I don't need to get a permit for that. Okay,
No.
I appreciate that. I just wanted to double check. I really don't want to get in trouble. I want to make sure we do everything right.
Right.
All right, thank you so much.
I'm building safety. This is Elizabeth.
Hi, Elizabeth. This is Shane. I'm the landlord here in Fayetteville. I think I spoke to you a minute or two ago.
Nope, that was not me.
Okay, well, you can probably help me anyway.
Well,
So
it depends. Actually, I did talk to the landlord earlier.
It's okay. So my name is
It's
Shane.
been a long day.
It's okay. It's okay to have a hard day. So my name is Shane. I'm a landlord, and I have a house that has a ceiling fan that's kind of clicking and making a lot of noise.
Yep.
I want to change it.
Yep.
And I don't need to get a building permit to do that or have an inspection, correct?
You do not.
Okay, good. And as long as I want to change a washing machine spigot that's leaking, that's threaded on, and you don't think I need to get a building permit or have an inspection
No,
to change
you
that?
you don't need one for that either.
Okay.
You only need it once you get in wall.
Sorry, I wanted to double
check. Doing
check.
anything in wall.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything in the
you
wall.
are perfectly fine.
Okay, well, thank you so much. You guys are so reasonable. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Not a problem. Have
All
a
right,
good day.
Bye.
Thank you for calling City Inspections. How can I help you?
Unless you're a psychiatrist, I don't know if you can help me fully, but I do have a inspection question. I'm a blood-sucking landlord here in Seattle, and I have a property that has a clicking ceiling fan that's kind of making some racket that I need to change.
Okay.
Do I need to get a permit and have an inspection to change that ceiling fan, or can I just change it?
You should be able to just change it, but let me see if I can get an electrical guy on the line and see what they suggest. Give me
Okay,
1 second.
thank you.
Electrical inspections. This is Carol.
Hi, Carol. My name is Shane. I'm one of those blood-sucking landlords here in Seattle, and I've got a house with a clicking ceiling fan I need to change. I was wondering, do you want me to pull a permit and have an inspection to just change out a ceiling fan, or is that something I can just go do?
No, you can do that. I would just make sure when you do it, you have a fan-rated box up there.
Of course, and it's got a fan
They're
there.
not all the same.
It's already got a fan there, but I'll double check it while we're doing it just to make certain. One more question, and you may not be able to answer this one, but in that same unit, I also have a dripping faucet connector, or a washing machine connector in the laundry room there. It's just a threaded-on copper valve. Would you want me to pull a plumbing inspection and have somebody come out for that, or do you think that'd be okay to just go ahead and change?
That's okay as well. That is just maintenance,
That's
and as
it.
a general rule, like 5 lights or less, like that, you don't need a permit.
Okay, and you think that's pretty typical in most cities? Because I'm thinking about doing some landlording in some other cities too.
I hope so.
Right.
So I can't imagine.
But ultimately, it just comes down to it would take you too much time to go see every single ceiling fan that was changed in Seattle. Like that would be thousands of inspectors. It's just
That's right.
It doesn't make any sense.
If you, like I said, if you were doing like a bunch of units, and like 10 units, 10 units, then yes, we would. But
yeah, no, this is just a single family house. And okay, I just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to get sideways with anybody. I want to do everything right that I can.
Nah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have them call me if anyone gives you trouble.
All right, bye.